Seriously, was that it?
That just sounded like this.
Run! Oh, jeez.
Got it?
Hello.
Got it?
Run, quick! They're running. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a bit longer.
Yup.
Daddy!
Right, it's the only place I could put them.
Run. Oh.
Lucky. Stay inside, you won't Layla, and stand near the door.
Lucky. Huh?
Is that it? After?
Poop. It goes up so fast. Jesus! I thought it makes a bang.